I think it's important to find out as much information as possible about the soil that I'm using to grow my food in. We inherited this property, purchasing it a few years ago, and don't know very much about the soil. We have kids and we want to make sure everyone's safe.
Soil is a living, breathing ecosystem, and most of the life that goes on below our feet is unseen. So making sure that our soil is healthy and safe to grow plants is a really important first step in urban food production and for environmental health in general.
I was doing urban agriculture work in Victoria and helping schools and community groups and individuals start growing food in the city. I became aware that there was a need for resources and better access to soil quality testing. I wrote a letter to the local paper sort of to raise awareness about this issue and to sort of propose the project. And from that, some of our university partners followed up with me. The Compost Education Centre followed up, and that was sort of the genesis of the project.
The centre has been educating residents of our capital region about the importance of composting, waste reduction, soil conservation, and urban food production for the past 25 years. And during that time, we really started to notice a gap in people's understanding of soil health and soil processes. So in partnership with Royal Roads University in 2016, we developed the Healing City Soils project to address these gaps in knowledge. We're able to offer free soil testing throughout our region, and the students perform the soil tests and the results are uploaded onto an open access soil health quality map.
What is great about this project is people can have access to information about heavy metals concentrations in people's backyard. And it's a very great opportunity to provide more information for people to grow food safely in their backyard.
Having this field experience has been great for our team because we're in the classroom all the time. So actually going out in the field and applying stuff we learned in the classroom has been an amazing opportunity, and we've just learned so much from this project so far. I came into this soils project not really knowing much about soil testing, and now knowing and learning the different ways to test for metal concentrations in the soil has just opened up a whole new realm of information.
Food sustainability is becoming even more important. Being a part of a community that we can share knowledge, share food, invite people over, be responsible for our own production of food, cut back on the waste and cut back on the chemicals and other things that we are contributing to environmentally is really important. Plus, I think it's really essential that the next generation going forward learns as well how to be responsible for and self-sufficient in the feeding of themselves, and how nutrition can make this world more complete.
We want people to be empowered to grow food safely. We want people to have the awareness and knowledge as well as the skills and resources that they need to grow food safely and in a healthful way.